SoundCloud.com.
Next question. A TV tower stands vertically on the bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank, directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point, 20 meter away from this point, on the line joining this point to the tower, this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. This is the question given. Now we have to draw a rough sketch. Let AB be the canal. So AB is the width of the canal. On the either side, a TV tower stands vertically on the bank of a canal. Let this be the TV tower. This is the TV tower. Taking it as BC is the TV tower. From a point on the other bank, directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the tower is 60 degree. From this point, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. It is given to be 60 degree. Here it is 60 degree. From another point, which is 20 meter away from the point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, that is, we are taking another point. We are taking another point D, which is 20 meter away from the first point. The angle of elevation from this point D, the angle of elevation from the foot of the to the foot of the tower, angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Here the angle of elevation, this is 30 degree. We want to find the width of the canal AB and the height of the TV tower BC. So, take the height as x and the width of the canal AB to be x. Now, we have to find the value of h and x. For that, 60 degree, here the angle A is equal to 60 degree and BC, H is the opposite side and here X is the adjacent side. Here also we have to take tan 60 in a right triangle ABC. In a right triangle ABC, tan 60 is equal to AB is the adjacent side and BC is the opposite side. Tan 60 is equal to BC by AB, opposite side by adjacent side. The value of tan 60 is equal to root 3, that is root 3 is equal to h by x, cross multiplying h is equal to x root 3, naming it as equation number 1, h is equal to x root 3. Now, in triangle BCD, H is the opposite side, means AB is the opposite side of 30 degree and BD is the adjacent side of angle 30. So, we are taking BCD, right triangle BCD. In right triangle BCD, tan 30, we have to take tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side means BC by BD. BC by BD. The value of tan 30, remember the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to h divided by adjacent side BD is equal to 20 plus x. 20 plus x. Again cross multiplying h into root 3. H into root 3 is equal to 20 plus x. Therefore, h is equal to 20 plus x divided by root 3, put it as equation number 2. Now, see equation number 1 and 2. The left side of equation number 1 is h and the left side of equation number 2 is also x. So, we can compare the right sides also. We can compare the right sides, equating the right sides. Here it is x root 3 and here it is 20 plus x by root 3. That should be equal because the left hand sides are equal. Therefore, the right hand sides RHS also must be equal. From 1 and 2. From equations 1 and 2, we get x root 3. That means RHS of equation number 1 is equal to 20 plus x by root 3. by root 3. That is the RHS of equation number 2. Now cross multiplying root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3 into x is equal to 20 plus x. Putting x to the left of the equal sign, it is minus x. That means 3x minus x is equal to 20. That is 2x is equal to 20. Therefore, x is equal to 20 divided by 2, which is equal to 10. That is, width of the canal is equal to 10 meters. We obtained the value x is equal to 10 meters means width of the canal is equal to 10 meters. We got one part of the question. We obtained the answer for the first part. Now, this for the second part, h is equal to x root 3. We are putting instead of x the value 10. That means h is equal to x root 3 is equal to 10 root 3 meters. That is height of the TV tower. That is second part. That is height of the TV tower is equal to 10 root 3 meters is the answer. So, we obtained answers for the two parts. Height of the TV tower is 10 root 3 meters and width of the canal is equal to 10 meters. Okay.